Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Moonshine Chemistry. Today we will learn about the most basic concept of chemistry, very important for the application in chemistry and for further future. In this lecture video, you will learn about the concept which is concentration of solution and termination. This is the first video for Chemistry Basic for Learner 01. If you want to learn basic concept chemistry for your long-term career, then dear folks, this video lecture is for you and you must watch this video. So dear folks, let's commence this lecture. Index. In this lecture video, we will learn about concentration of solution, dilute solution, concentrated solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, percentage per mass, percentage per volume, mole fractions, molarity, molality, formality, normality, part per million, part per billion. Why we should learn this concept? Why we should learn it? This chemical unit of concentration solution is often used for quantitative analysis such as volumetric analysis, chromatographic separation analysis, pharmaceutical analysis, toxicity analysis, forensic science, food science, etc. And this analysis, which involves the volume of a known solution required to bring about the completion of the reaction with volume of unknown solution under the investigation, from which we can determine amount of solute and solvent. It also determines the collision speed between particle or molecule. It helps to determine the rate of particular reaction and condition in which equilibrium can be maintained from the reaction. Concentration of solution. Concentration of solution is defined as amount of solute in a specific amount of solvent. Dilute solution. Solution containing relatively less amount of solute, occur dilute solution. Concentrated solution. Solution containing more amount of solute than the solution is called the concentrated solution. Difference between saturated and unsaturated solution. Saturated solution contains less amount of solute than required for forming saturated solution. Unsaturated solution, in which it contains excess amount of solute than required for formation of saturated solution. Here, this is the percentage per mass. What is the percentage per mass? The mass of solute in gram dissolved in solvent to form 100 gram of solution is called percentage of mass, W upon W. Percentage per mass. Mass of solute in gram dissolved in solvent to form 100 gram of solution is called percentage of mass. Formula of percentage by mass of solute is mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied by 100. Now mass of solution is actually total of mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So here the formula is mass of solute upon mass of solute plus mass of solvent multiplied by 100. Now, what is percentage by volume? It is defined as ratio of the number of part by solute to in 100 part of the solution. Percentage per volume of solute. Volume of solution multiplied by 100 is also equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solute plus volume of solvent multiplied by 100. Now volume of solution is nothing but sum of total volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Now mole fraction. What is mole fraction? Mole fraction of a component in a solution is defined as ratio of number of moles of the component present in the solution the total number of moles of all components of the solution. Mole fraction of solvent formula is x1 equal to number of moles of solvent divided by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Mole fraction of solute x2 is number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Molarity represent in capital M. It is defined as number of moles of solute present in 1 liter volume of the solution. Formula of molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of solution dmq. Also equal to mass of solute in kg divided by molar mass of solute in kg per mole multiplied by volume of solution in dm cube or in liter. SI unit of 1 liter is 1 mole per liter or equal to 1 mole per dm cube or 1 molarity. Molality represent in small m. It is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg or 100 gram of solvent. Molality is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Then it is also equal to mass of solute in kg divided by molar mass of solute in kg per mole multiplied by mass of solvent in kg. SI unit of molality is 1 m is equal to 1 mole per kg equal to 1 molar. Then formality. What is formality? It represents in capital F. One formula solution 1F is defined as solution that contains one formula weight of the solute in 1 milliliter of the solution. Formula of the formality is number of formula weight of solute dissolved divided by volume of solution in dm cube or equal to amount of substance in gram divided by formula weight of the substance multiplied by volume solution dm cube or liter. 1F is equal to 1 formality. Then normality represent in capital N. Normality N of a solution defined as number equivalent of the solute present in 1 liter or dmq of the solution. Normality formula is number of equivalent of solute dissolved divided by volume of solution in dmq or liter equal to amount of solute in gram divided by equivalent weight of the solute multiplied by volume of solution in dmq or liter when n is equal to 1. Normality part per million ppm number of part of one component 1 million part of a solution. Concentration of solute present trace quantities conveniently expressed in part per million ppm. Formula of part per million ppm is mass of volume of solute divided by total mass or volume of solution multiplied by 10 raised to 6. SI unit of part per million is 1 milligram per liter. Part per billion, it is the number of part of one component in 1 billion part of solution. This unit is lower concentration than ppm. Is extensively used to express concentration of pollutant or the amount of trace material. Part per billion is equal to mass of solute divided by total mass or volume of solution multiplied by 10 raised to 9. SI unit of 1 part per billion is 1 milligram per liter. It is part per billion 1 ppb. Okay, it is equal to 1 part per billion. Then thank you for watching this video lecture. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe and share. Share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Your feedback support will be appreciated. Please again give a like, subscribe and share this video to your friends and other folks. Keep watching, keep enjoying, keep learning. Thank you.